What does 4mm mean? It can be the thickness of an acrylic stand, the cardboard of a shipping box, or even a charging cable. But in 2026, this is the thickness of a foldable phone. Previously, everyone said foldable phones were too fragile, had poor battery life, and average cameras. We ran a complete and detailed test on this newly released Honor Magic V6. You could say it will give you a completely new understanding of foldable phones. It really has been upgraded in so many aspects. It's a grand slam for foldable phones. When I first got this phone, my immediate impression was how incredibly thin, light, and premium it felt. Actually, the previous generation Magic V5 was already very thin and light. This time, the Magic V6 has compressed the unfolded body's thickness to an absolute limit of just 4mm and just 8.75mm folded. The entire phone is as thin as the physical limit of a Type-C charging port. And surprisingly, a large foldable phone like this weighs about the same as an iPhone 15 Pro with a tempered glass screen protector. The lightest version is under 220 grams. Even with such a remarkably thin and light body, they managed to pack in a massive 7,150 mAh battery, the largest among all foldable phones. The unit I have in my hand is the Chi2 Red colorway. The back is made of eco-friendly vegan leather. Compared to the cheap, lightweight feel of plastic, this has been upgraded to a soft texture that closely resembles real leather, showing different grain patterns from different angles. I highly recommend checking this out in person at a store. Its tactile feel is truly premium. The vibrant red color paired with a rugged brushed metal frame and a dome-shaped octagonal camera module gives this generation of the Magic V6 an incredibly luxurious vibe. It also comes in a Rising Sun Gold colorway, featuring a precision-carved 3D checkered DAC panel paired with an all-gold body that looks incredibly dazzling in your hand. As for the displays, both the inner and outer screens feature the new Ultimate Black Diamond panel, which looks premium at first glance. I won't read off the specs like a user's manual, we'll just put them up on the screen for you. Let's just talk about the most noticeable improvements. It is purely black and thoroughly tough. Both the inner and outer screens of the Magic V6 use an ultra-low reflection AR coating, achieving a 1.5% reflectivity rate. The outer screen is upgraded with a brand new 5600 layer silicone carbide high-precision coating, making its wear, scratch, and drop resistance absolutely outstanding. The black levels are deep and pure, making the screen look incredibly clear and high-end. Plus, unlike traditional phones with AR coatings, the glass surface doesn't feel sticky. It's extremely smooth. Your finger just glides effortlessly across it. While offering anti-reflective properties, it's also highly wear and scratch resistant. In fact, the outer screen doesn't even come with a factory-applied screen protector this time. You can confidently enjoy the silky smooth feel of the bare screen right out of the box. The screens are also incredibly bright, with the outer screen's global peak brightness hitting a massive 2,000 nits and the inner screen reaching 1,300 nits. It also features 4,300 20Hz ultra-high frequency PWM dimming to protect your eyes. Without screen glare, the crease on the inner screen is barely noticeable. This is thanks to the Hinge, which boasts the lowest aperture ratio in history. The lower the ratio, the smaller the crease. Honor has always been willing to invest heavily on the Hinge. With today's Honor Luban Hinge, using self-developed 2800 megapascal shield-grade steel, it is built so solidly and tightly that it can easily grip even a thin piece of tissue paper. Combined with the scratch-resistant and durable UTG on the inner screen and a new tangent plasma polishing process, this is the current ceiling for foldable phone hardware. The 1TB version of the Magic V6 features a 7,150 mAh battery. This marks the first time a foldable phone's battery capacity has crossed the 7,000 mAh threshold. According to our lab's 4.0 dedicated battery tests, 3 hours of light mixed usage drained 16%, and 2 continuous hours of playing Honor of Kings drained 15%. After a full 5-hour mixed usage test, 69% remained, securing first place on the foldable phone 5-hour battery life leaderboard. Afterward, we ran a Bilibili video with bullet comments continuously until the phone died, clocking in at 13 hours and 23 minutes. It's very likely to hold on to this #1 spot for quite some time. Since its battery life has hit the ceiling for foldables, how is its performance? It might be the only foldable phone this year with a fully unleashed Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Yes, the only unlocked foldable. In the cast, we assumed inner screens weren't great for gaming, but now, when playing Battle Royale games in third person on the inner screen, you can actually see your character's legs. Comparing it to a standard phone while playing Honor of Kings, the foldable's inner screen displays the entire area of a skill circle, whereas a standard phone cuts it off. After one continuous hour of Honor of Kings at maximum graphics, the average frame rate was 119.9 FPS. Power consumption consumption was 3.65 watts, and the peak temperature was 38.2 degrees Celsius. Half an hour of PUBG 119.35 FPS. Half an hour of Honkai Star Rail at the highest settings had an average frame rate of 46.57 FPS. You can now confidently play Star Rail at maximum graphics on a foldable. Of course, frame rates begin to throttle after about 10 minutes, but if you lower the graphics just one notch, the average frame rate jumps to 59.74 FPS, maintaining max frames the entire time with a peak temperature of just 41.5 degrees Celsius. As a thin and light large foldable, the Magic V6 hasn't heavily compromised its camera hardware. Honor provides a triple camera setup. The main camera features OIS and a large f1.6 aperture. The telephoto uses a 64 megapixel OV64B sensor, making it potentially the strongest telephoto on a foldable this year. The ultra-wide is a solid 50 megapixel lens. It also supports SEPA 6.5 level image stabilization. I really want to highlight the telephoto. The camera interface features 6 zoom buttons. Tap again and it jumps straight to a 280mm equivalent, which is 12x. Most importantly, the photos taken at 12x actually look quite decent when you zoom in. It also has a minimum focusing distance of around 10 plus centimeters, offering a solid macro shooting capability. If you prefer a more personalized color palette, I recommend trying the built-in AI color tracking to replicate your favorite styles with just one click. Honor has also brought this capability to video shooting, featuring the industry's first AI cinematic color tracking. It also debuts an outer screen smart co-shooting function. The outer screen not only provides a real-time preview, but also offers pose references and composition guidance. When the subject moves into the recommended position, the Magic V6 automatically uses AI composition to take the photo. Naturally, for a foldable to be durable, it's not just about the hinge and screen. The Magic V6 comes with standard IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance. For charging, it gives you 80-watt wired charging that hits 27% in 15 minutes and fully charges in about an hour, and 66-watt wireless charging. The 1TB version even includes satellite communication. Plus, the box includes a 120-watt mini-cube GAN charger that supports all fast charging protocols. Honor has also added specialized scenarios specifically adapted to the inner screen. The MagicOS 10 upgrade brings much stronger AI productivity. For instance, an exclusive feature in the Android camp is the ability to track 2 stocks on a single screen. Yoyo's capabilities for document processing are also incredibly strong. When the phone receives various types of documents, Yoyo deeply analyzes the layout information, allowing you to add, delete, or modify text and spreadsheet data directly on your phone without needing a PC. Magic V6 also supports PC-level 3-way split screen. You can operate 3 apps on the same screen, and each app can be expanded. For instance, you can review a script, communicate with colleagues about copy details, and look up information on a browser simultaneously. You can even drag and copy text and images directly across these 3 interconnected windows. Meeting capabilities remain a core strength. During a meeting, you can enable the AI host to provide real-time summaries, automatically identify and track keywords, and generate meeting minutes with a single tap. Number 1 in battery life, number 1 in performance, an anti-reflective and ultra-clear screen, a reliable and durable body, and a comprehensive all-scenario AI ecosystem. This is the current grand slam product of foldable phones. I am especially a fan of the texture on the Qi 2 red color. If you had to compare it with the gold version, which one would you choose?